Composite materials are engineered materials made from two or more distinct constituents, typically a reinforcing phase, fibers, particulates embedded within a matrix phase, polymer, metal, or ceramic. The goal is to combine the strengths of each phase to achieve superior mechanical, thermal, and durability properties that cannot be obtained by the individual components alone. Fiber-reinforced polymer (FRP) composites are the most commonly used class in industries like aerospace, automotive, civil engineering, sports equipment, energy, and marine structures. Fiber-reinforced polymer composites (FRPs) encompass a broad family of advanced materials distinguished by the type of reinforcing fiber embedded within a polymer matrix, most commonly epoxy. Carbon fiber-reinforced polymers are characterized by their exceptional strength-to-weight and stiffness-to-weight ratios, making them indispensable in high-performance and weight-critical applications such as aerospace structures, satellites, advanced automotive components, and sporting equipment, where durability and fatigue resistance are essential. Aramid fiber-reinforced polymers, utilizing fibers such as Kevlar or Twaron, are valued for their outstanding impact resistance, toughness, and energy-absorbing capability, which makes them particularly suitable for ballistic protection, helmets, and other safety-critical structures. Glass fiber-reinforced polymers represent one of the most widely used FRPs due to their balanced mechanical performance, corrosion resistance, and relatively low cost, leading to extensive use in wind turbine blades, marine vessels, construction reinforcement, and automotive parts. Basalt fiber-reinforced polymers derived from naturally occurring volcanic rock offer improved temperature stability and chemical resistance compared to traditional glass fibers, supporting their application in marine environments, fire-resistant components, and structural reinforcements such as rebars. In contrast, natural fiber-reinforced polymers employ plant-based fibers such as jute, hemp, flax, or bamboo, providing environmentally friendly, lightweight, and cost-effective alternatives with moderate mechanical properties, increasingly adopted in automotive interiors, packaging, and consumer products where sustainability is a key consideration. Composite materials are anisotropic, meaning their properties vary with direction. Unlike metals with uniform properties, fiber orientation and stacking sequence play crucial roles. Key mechanical concepts are longitudinal modulus along the fibers, transverse modulus perpendicular to fibers, shear modulus, Poisson's ratios, strength in different directions, failure modes, fiber breakage, matrix cracking, delamination. Classical laminate theory (CLT) is commonly used to predict behavior. 3 composite analysis methods include 3.1 micromechanical analysis, used to predict the properties of a single-ply lamina based on fiber volume fraction, fiber and matrix properties, tools concepts, rule of mixtures, Halpin-Tsai equations, Mori-Tanaka model. 3.2 macromechanical analysis, focuses on laminates composed of many stacked plies, uses classical laminate theory (CLT) to predict in plane stiffness ABD matrix, bending/twisting coupling, laminate strength and failure. Common failure criteria are maximum stress strain, Tsai-Hill, Tsai-Wu, Hashin failure criteria for fiber and matrix separately, Puck failure theory interfiber failure. Composite simulation uses numerical methods to predict mechanical performance, stress distribution, damage initiation and propagation, curing behavior, manufacturing process effects. 4.1 numerical methods can be listed as 1 Finite Element Method (FEM) most widely used, 2 Finite Volume Method (FVM) sometimes for fluid structure or thermal analysis, 3 Mesh-free methods less common. Popular composite simulation tools are ANSY's Composite Prep Post (ACP), Abaqus with composite layup modules, and functions include ply stacking design, defect and delamination modeling, progressive damage modeling (PDM), impact simulation, fatigue prediction. Manufacturing processes significantly influence composite performance. Key processes are hand layup, vacuum-assisted resin transfer molding (VARTM), resin infusion, autoclave curing, compression molding, filament winding, Pultrusion. Simulation can predict fiber waviness, void formation, residual stresses, cure shrinkage, thermal gradients. 6 challenges in composite analysis are strong anisotropy, nonlinear behavior under high loads, sensitivity to defects, voids, delaminations, time-dependent properties, viscoelastic matrices, complex failure mechanisms, computational modeling complexity. Composite materials are used in aerospace, wings, fuselage, control surfaces, automotive, crash structures, body panels, civil engineering, FRP rebars, strengthening of bridges, energy, wind turbine blades, marine, boat hulls, propeller blades, sports, bicycles, tennis rackets, fishing rods. Composite material analysis and simulation is a multidisciplinary field combining materials science, mechanics, micromechanics, continuum modeling, and numerical simulation. Understanding how fibers, matrices, orientations, and manufacturing processes interact is key to designing high-performance, lightweight, and durable structures. In this comprehensive course, you will explore the fundamentals and advanced concepts of composite material analysis and simulation using Abaqus software. Through 27 detailed, hands-on tutorials, you will gain both theoretical understanding and practical simulation experience. Each tutorial includes step-by-step video, Abaqus model files, codes, and a relevant research paper to support your learning. The course covers a wide range of engineering applications, including analysis of the CFRP, GFRP, BFRP, AFRP, jute-epoxy, banana fiber, green composite, bamboo fiber. High-velocity impact on CFRP sandwich panels. CFRP, BFRP, and GFRP as reinforcements. Forming process of the composite materials. Air blast, CCO and WEP, cell and SBH, analysis of the composite materials. Low energy impact analysis. 3 and 4-point bending test. Durability analysis. Compression and tension test. Simulation of the composite pipe. Armor modeling and analysis. FEM provides a powerful and flexible framework for realistically analyzing and simulating concrete structures. By capturing material nonlinearity, cracking behavior, and complex geometries, engineers can predict performance, optimize design, and ensure safety and reliability. This package is ideal for mechanical, aerospace, composite engineering, civil students, and researchers. With lifetime access to downloadable resources, you can learn at your own pace anytime and anywhere. I hope you have a good understanding of this package, but for more questions and details on each section, please visit our website Engineering Downloads or email us at info@engineeringdownloads.com.